Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need to begin by confirming account and connection basics. Sign into the correct Apple ID and ensure your Apple Music subscription is active. Once done, check device volume, mute switch, and chosen audio output. Bluetooth can send sound elsewhere. Make sure to verify Wi-Fi or cellular data. Try toggling airplane mode off and on if network seems stuck. These first actions remove common blockers quickly, so you can proceed to deeper fixes with a working baseline. You should force quit Apple Music and reopen it to reset the app state. This often clears temporary glitches. Once done, restart your device to flush system resources and make sure to update iOS and the Music app so compatibility bugs are gone. If specific tracks still fail, remove local downloads and re-download them, which rebuilds the cache and fixes corrupted files. Make sure to check iCloud Music library syncing after re-adding music, so your library items match across devices. You should test playback on another device or the web player to isolate whether the problem is device-specific. Once done, sign out of your Apple ID in Settings and sign back in to refresh authorization. Also, make sure to disable content restrictions that might block streaming. If issues persist, reset network settings to clear stubborn routing problems and verify DRM by checking purchase ownership. If none of this works, contact Apple support for account or DRM repair. Keep one.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.